Hi guys, welcome to my channel Insta One Developers. Today I will explain you how to use Node.js. So firstly, you have to install in your system Node.js. So for installation, what you have to do, you have to just go to the website nodejs.org. This is the official website of Node.js. From here you can see the download packages here that is recommended for most of the users, which I am already using. I have installed in my PC. So what next you have to do, you have to just download it, and after the download you have to click the downloaded files and it will be installed on your system. So after installation you can verify it, is this install your system or not. So to verify, we have to check the version. Node space -v is the command to check the version of Node.js. It is showing version 14.16.1 is already installed on my system. But guys, you can face any problem that it can show you Node is not recognized. So after installations you can see. So it is the basically error of the environment variables you have to set up, and after the setup environment variables you have to restart your system. I will explain you how to add environment variables in a separate videos. And so now another thing is npm, which works with Node.js. So what is npm? Npm is a basically node package manager which is used to install any packages of Node.js. So we have to check the version of npm as well. So I'm just checking the version. Yes, it is there, 6.14.1. so is there already. Actually guys, you no need to confuse about it, and npm will be installed automatically when you will install the Node.js. So now what next I have to do, I'm just creating a fresh directory. Nothing is there. I have created an C drive inside Node.js, then first app. So I have created a directory. So I will go to the path cd, especially I will go to the out of the in the main root cd space Node.js, then first step. I have come here. So now first command I have to run npm space init. This is the very first command you have to run for starting a node application. So actually I have already shown you the folder is blank. So after executing this command, it is asking for the package name. By default it is taking first step as a package name. You can change it if you want, but I'm not changing it. It is asking for the version. Once again it is showing for the default values, but no, I'm happy with the default values. I'm just going enter. You have to press enter just to go to the next step. It is asking for the entry point, what files you have to mention here. It will be entry file. You can add app.js or whatever you want, but I'm happy with the index.js, so I'm not just changing it. So I will press enter, then text command. It is asking for the git repository again. You can put it a git repository if you have any. I will explain in a different videos how to create git repositories to the product. So now next keyword is asking, no thank you. Author is asking, I'm just putting my name as a author. You can also put it as a blank, but I'm just mentioning here, and you can mention as your own. So now next is this asking, is this okay? It is showing me the details which I have already entered. This is the details which I have already entered. Is this okay? Yes, it is. I have mentioned yes. So now guys, I can see package.json file is created here. So in IDE I can see first step. I am using Visual Studio IDE. You can use according to your convenience, but as far as my concern is, Visual Studio Code is the best IDE for the Node.js environment. So now I can see what is the values in package.json. So package.json has the values which I already shown you in the command prompt. So now guys, package.json is created. Now we have to move to the next. So here I can see I have mentioned index.js as my default file. So now what I have to do, I have to create a new file, that is index.js. So guys, in index.js, this is the entry file of my project. What next I have to do, I have to just install the Express. So as I have already explained you, npm is used to install any dependencies. So here is the syntax to install any dependencies: npm space install, or you can put it only I according to your convenience. And then package name we have to provide here. Then we have to add --save. --save is basically used to add the details of this dependency installed in the package.json file, so that in the when I will move my code to the further levels, So the dependencies which are saved in the package.jsn file will be installed automatically on the server. So now I will explain you all the things when we will move the project from local to the development server, staging servers, and QA servers, and live, so on. So now I'm just pushing an enter. So guys, it is installing Express for me. So what it will do, actually just I'm going to the directory. It is indexed. Firstly, it is package.jsn file, which I already told you. Then index, I have created node modules. Actually all the packages of the node.js saved in the node modules, whatever module you will install in the future. So as you can see, I am installing and Express, so it has created a node module. So when I will go to the node module folder, I will see a lot of packages there. So I have installed only Express, but there are a lot of packages. There are only because of Node.js Express has installed their required dependencies. So guys, here I'm using where Express, I'm using Express is equal to Express is equal to require then I have to put Express package name I have to require. So guys, I have required the package. Then now what next I have to do, I have to use this Express is equal to Express, this one. So to start a Node.js we need a port. I'm just defining hard code as a port number for the first application. I will tell you all the things how you can use a system port and how you can define your own port according to your project's needs. So now guys, what next I have to do, I have to just create app.listen. This I have to put it at a port, that is the callback function. Then what I'm just printing here, console.log. Here I'm just printing that server is running or not. Server is running on port. I'm just printing a variable that is port. So it will display the server is running on port and which port it is running. So I have created a very basic example of Express. This is the first example you have to write in all the programs. This is the very first step you have to write in all the programs. Now how can I check it? I have to just go to the command prompt. Guys, to execute any Node.js file, we have a command node space file name. So now I have created index.js file. So I'm just going to run it, node space index.js. So after running, it is showing me server is running on port 3000. So it means guys, my Express has installed successfully and it's working fine. So guys, I hope you have understand the very first program of the Node.js. So guys, in next videos I will explain you how to print hello world in the console or in the browser. So guys, just join me on that particular video. Yeah, thank you.